Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y to the power of 3. This one we have 1 over y squared. This one we have y. This one we have number 1. So we have dy over y to the power of 3 dx and negative 1 over y squared in here. Similar for this one. So in this situation, we can use about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to this one. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have dv over dx equals to number 2 over y to the power of 3. Because first derivative of 1 over y to the power of 2, we have negative number 2 over y to the power of 3, but we have the negative sign here, negative with negative in here. That's why we have positive, and we have dy over dx. Next, because we don't have number 2, so I will put number 2 go to the left. Next, this one we change by dv over number 2 dx. This one we change by v. This one we change by v. Next, 2s squared multiplied by number 1 and s squared in here. Next, I will put this one go to the left. Next, v and v we can do about factorization. Next, we multiply both sides by number 2. And then we divide both sides by s. Next, we have v and first derivative of v, so we can use about integrating factor. So I will put about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of this one. So the integration of 2 over s, we have 2 ln s. The integration of s to the power of 3 with number 4, we have s to the power of 4. And now I will put number 2 go inside about natural law in here. So e to the power of ln s squared, we have s squared. E to the power of negative s to the power of 4, we can put into e to the power of s to the power of 4 on the denominator. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 4s to the power of 3. Later that, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we know that y equals to first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of this one multiplied by a. So if I do this integration, I will have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one we have like this. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 4. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have 4s to the power of 3 ds. This one we change by u. 4s to the power of 3 ds we change by du. So the integration of this one, that is about e to the power of negative u du. So we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. About v, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.